Hello, I'm Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you for your time. I'm excited to share with you the new online self-paced plus hybrid learning entitled How to Earn Money Starting 501c3 Nonprofits. The How to Earn Money Starting 501c3 Nonprofits workshop teaches you how to start a lucrative home-based business, completing the Form 1023 application for recognition of exemption for clients nationwide. The workshop includes current topics, practice activities, knowledge checks, and exams. Specifically, the course outline is here. Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions is offering two options to complete the How to Earn Money Starting 501c3 Nonprofits workshop: hybrid learning and independent learning. But before we take a look at those two types of options, let you see the outline here. Here is the outline for the workshop. The outline is divided into chapters. Chapter 1 is entitled Getting Started, and here are the lessons. Lesson 1, Introductory Topics. Lesson 2, the Form 1023 versus the Form 1023 EZ, and you can read the subtopics yourself. Chapter 2 covers the 20 steps to starting 501c3 nonprofits. The lessons are as follows. Lesson 1, the 20 steps to starting 501c3 nonprofits, and the 20 steps are listed. And in Lesson 2, what are the client's next steps? Then Chapter 3 talks about how to complete the Form 1023, and we're talking about the long version of the Form 1023. So the lessons include create a pay.gov account and complete the Form 1023 application. Chapter 4 covers establishing a lucrative home-based business, and the lessons are as follows. Number 1, define 3 business structures. Number 2, determine the correct business structure for your nonprofit. Number 3, choose the best business plan option. Number 4, review the SBA Business Startup Guide. And number 5, review the SCORE Business Startup Roadmap. Chapter 5 talks about how to attract, serve, and retain loyal clients. The lessons include attract clients, serve clients, and retain clients. Chapter 6 talks about my daily work routines. I'm going to tell you about my organizing filing systems, how I complete application tasks, how I maintain client journals, how I maintain tracking forms, how I organize email messages, and how I often read the IRS bulletins. The course summary and next steps are included in each chapter, and you will also have a final exam. So this is the workshop outline for how to earn money starting 501c3 nonprofits. So let's get back to the presentation. So let's talk about option 1, hybrid learning, a little bit more. Hybrid learning is a combination of live workshop sessions and online self-paced learning that covers the information in the course outline. So if you remember the course outline that we just looked at, there's a lot of information that we're going to cover in the 6 chapters. Option 2 is independent learning. Independent learning allows you to complete the How to Earn Money Starting Nonprofits workshop around your schedule, at your pace, in the comfort, privacy, and safety of your home. It does not include any instructor-led work sessions. You will work independently on your own. However, if you need to schedule one-on-one consultations with me to answer any questions you may have while you are completing the independent learning, you can also have the option to do that. So enroll today. The How to Earn Money Starting 501c3 Nonprofits workshops open on July the 17th at discounted fees. The hybrid learning workshop is $550 as a discounted fee until July the 31st, 2023. The normal fee is $595 because you will have workshop sessions, 3 workshop sessions per week, 2 hours per work session. So that's 6 hours of working directly with me, learning about each chapter one-on-one during Zoom meetings. The independent learning workshop is $450 discounted fee because you would be learning independently on your own. The regular fee for the independent learning workshop is $495. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about the 2 options to complete the How to Earn Money Starting 501c3 Nonprofits workshop. I look forward to your enrollment in the workshop. I'm Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. You can find more information about the workshops and the enrollment process on my website at trustsusanwoods.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.